I'm your English teacher and today I am going to discuss about reader. Before going to start, I will tell you about Robinson's family. How many brothers, how many sisters, what is my father doing and what is my mother doing. Now start. Hello everyone, I am Dad. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Hello everyone, I am Mom. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Hello everyone, I am Biff. My real name Barbara. I am Chip's twin and Kipper elder sister. How are you? Hello everyone, I am Chip. Real name David. Biff's twin and Kipper's elder brother. How are you? Hello, I am Kipper. Real name Christopher. When I was younger, I was unable to call my name, so I called myself Kipper. How are you? Hello everyone, I am Floppy. How are you? Family, Robinson family, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Robinson family, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Who is it, who is it, who is it? I am Dad, I am Dad, I am Dad. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I am Mom, how do you do? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I am Biff, I am Biff, I am Biff. How are you? How are you? How are you? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I am Chip, I am Chip, how do you do? Robinson family, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Now we are going to start our reader, The Magic Key. This is our Oxford series, Oxford Reading Tree. And this is stage 5. It has 6 books and we are starting with The Magic Key. We have done reading of stage 4 in class 1. Now this is stage 5 and we are going to read it in our class 2. So what do you think is happening in this book? Yes, what is Biff and Chip doing? They have a key here. And which type of key is this? This is the magic key. What do you think is going to happen in the story? Let's read it together. Now take out page number 1. What is happening here? Who is sleeping? Yes, Chip is sleeping. And what is beside the Chip? There is a pink box. So let's see what is going to happen. The box was by Chip's bed. Something was glowing inside it. Yes, read with me. The box was by Chip's bed. Something was glowing inside it. Now you can see the box is here by Chip's bed and something is glowing inside it. What do you think is glowing inside it? Let's find it out. Now turn your page to page number 2. What is happening here? See, Chip is very much surprised. Let's see what is happening here. Chip looked at the box. It's magic, he said. Chip ran into Biff's room. Biff, he called, look at the box. What is happening here? Biff is so surprised that he said something is glowing. It's a magic. So now Chip ran into Biff's room and Biff was sleeping. So he woke her up and said, "See, there is something glowing inside the box. Look at the box." Now, what do you think is inside this box? We will later read it and we will later know it what is inside it. But for today you have to read these 3 pages. Now I'm going to tell you some powerful words and you have to learn these spellings for your dictation. The words are magic, something, glowing, inside, looked, Chip, Biff, called, box, ran. So these are the powerful words that you have to learn for your dictation. I hope you understand it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz everyone.